Hi, I'm Hossam Fouda from Alexandria, Egypt.
My name is Alexander Berghaus. I'm from Munich, Germany.
And we're here today to direct the master course for rhinoplasty organized by the ECAMS.
And I can only say that this is certainly one of the best rhinoplasty courses in the world.
And these courses are really unique because they are designed just for a small number of people. So we have high interaction with the participants.
And so they get all the perspectives of this surgery, sometimes from two different points of view, Hossam and mine.
We have 2 full days dedicated for cadaveric dissections. So we demonstrate everything on fresh cadavers.
The candidates are guided through every little step of the surgery, and it includes everything that's interesting for beginners and all new developments in rhinoplasty that are interesting for the experienced ones.
And you get to do everything with your hands, all the sophisticated techniques, and we will supervise you while doing that.
And this way, these participants certainly learn much more in shorter time than if they have a guidance through one of the residents or assistants in any hospital, because here we are two extremely experienced rhinoplasty surgeons who are doing this kind of surgery for many, many years, and we're doing it every day. And we're standing next to the candidates and show them step by step how to do it. This is not possible in their home hospital where these candidates are working usually every day. And so I'm sure they learn here both the aesthetic part of the surgery, but also functional aspects. They learn how to treat difficult cases, revisions. This is certainly the best way to learn rhinoplasty, and I'm happy to be in that group of ECAMS and be part of that excellent course.
I do a lot of rhinoplasty already at home. For me, it's really good to improve my skills, to transform my skills, to get new ideas I take home.
For many years now, I participate so many workshops about this subject, but really this is a unique experience here among the two highly specialized professors and all the staff, and we are getting so many things, tips and tricks about this aesthetic part for rhinoplasty and the functional also part. And it is so important for our patients to take the best treatment in any case.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.